This is going to be your go-to fall syrup, and it's stupid easy to make. We're gonna make a spiced maple syrup, and it's super easy. Literally, all you need to start with is maple syrup. So we've got that in our syrup container already. We're just gonna add spices. I mean, it's literally that easy. We're gonna do a heavy dose of cinnamon, because who doesn't like maple cinnamon? Like, that's just, everyone likes that. You can do this to taste. If you love clove, you know, make it heavy clove. Add some nutmeg. It's gonna taste all the fall spices that are good. Just throw in here. Do a little pumpkin pie spice. But really, most importantly, what this needs is a pretty heavy pinch of salt. That's gonna just bring out all the flavors. It's gonna give it a little bit of a salted maple vibe without being too salty. This is really what turns this syrup from okay to amazing. We've got hot water. We're gonna add this into this spiced maple mixture. We're just gonna do half the weight of the maple syrup, which is gonna be a 2-to-1 ratio. So for me, it's gonna be about 25 grams. We're just gonna twirl this in, get all the spices, and then we're literally just gonna shake it up. Get everything to dissolve, marry together, and just like that, you have an amazing fall syrup that is ready for your lattes, hot or cold. This is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna go make one of these. If you want this syrup recipe sent right to your phone, join our Home Coffee Club Handbook by commenting Handbook down below. We're gonna be sending out weekly tips, tricks, and everything you need to know to start making incredible coffee at home.